Getting nice ass cars down here, yo. I'm about to show y'all.
B&B on the track.
Yo, my nigga funny as shit. I like it. Yo, what the fuck? Dexter Michael. Hi, Dexter Michael. He's angry. I'm gonna... Are you nice now, Dexter Michael?
Knock it off.
Dexter's angry!
You can, when Kim comes back, but you can start kind of deep under the ground.
Fucking love you. Oh, shut up! Look at this fucking little pier. Look, look, look! Look, look, you look. Oh, shut up! You peed it. So cute, you pier. Don't get smart about it. Yeah, you did it. You did that. Look at him sleeping. Yo, what's up? On my way to the marketing meeting with Mars Studio. We're gonna check out some pricing, see what they can do for us with this humbly driven project. I'm sorry, I hate when people tell you can't park nowhere when I can clearly see the fucking sign right there. Like, you obviously saw me looking at my fucking tires. Like, what the fuck you think I want to park here for? I still have my car running. And I have my door open. What the fuck? Like, fucking stupid as shit. Like, mind your fucking business, dude. Then you gonna get a fucking attitude. I'm like, I know. It's no jokes.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the poise of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.